working of atomizer. When pressure is increased, then velocity will decrease, and if pressure is decreased, then velocity is increased. This you have to remember in Bernoulli's principle every time. The working of an atomizer. Pen is not working. Working of an atomizer. Draw diagram of piston. This is one piston with small opening, like syringe it is, a small opening here. This is piston P, cylinder C. Here there is one bucket containing liquid and one tube. Tube T. Just wait for 1 minute. When you pull it out, what will happen? Pressure will increase or decrease when I pull it out?
Decrease.
प्रेशर पुल किया तो अंदर एयर आ गया ना?
Yes, sir.
और जब पुश किया तो एयर बाहर आ गया ना? So when I push, then pressure will decrease. When I pull, pressure inside will be more. हवा भर जाएगा ना अंदर?
Yes, sir.
So when I push it or when I pull, suppose, तो pressure हो गया ज्यादा, तो velocity हो जाएगा कम, बराबर? जैसे ही पुश किया इसको, तो ये जंक्शन पे क्या होएगा? प्रेशर कम क्या ज्यादा? प्रेशर कम होएगा ना when it is pushed inside.
Yes.
तो हाई स्पीड से एयर आ जाएगा इधर, तो उसका वजह से ये जो ऊपर राइज हुआ रहेगा ना, दे विल बी ब्लोन इनटू पार्टिकल्स, ऐसा स्प्रे जैसा हो जाए. This will be sprayed. So it can be used as a spray or it can be used as an atomizer. Atomizer means it splits the liquid into droplets. So action of carburetor of automobile engine. There is one device called carburetor or paint gun. Paint gun means it is filled with paint. We push it like gun. Scent spray, insect sprayer, which they use as insecticide. They are all based on Bernoulli's principle. ये सब में there is one tube filled with that insecticide or scent or petrol. When air is blown at high speed over the tip of this tube with the help of piston P, this high speed will create low pressure over the tube. मतलब जिसको ऐसा खींचा तो इधर प्रेशर आ गया हाई. हेलो,
Explain.
we want that liquid should rise up na first. First liquid should rise up na.
Yes.
Always motion is from where to where? High to low.
Yes.
तो जब इसको आप पुश करेंगे इसको आगे, तो अगर अंदर का सब पूरा इसका एयर था ना अंदर, तो इसको जब अंदर खींचा तो इधर का प्रेशर ज्यादा हो जाएगा ना. बट जब इसको पुल भर के रखा था ऐसा पूरा अंदर, पहला पीछे खींचना पड़ता है ना ऐसा अपने को, देन यू पुश ना.
Yes, sir.
So that means when I blow the air with high speed, इधर blow किया air high speed से, मतलब इसको जब आगे push किया है syringe को, तो इधर का प्रेशर कम हो गया ना, प्रेशर कम हो जाएगा ना अभी, ये साइड पे
Yes.
प्रेशर कम, इसका प्रेशर ज्यादा है ना ड्यू टू लिक्विड, so there will be rising in upward direction and because of that high speed of air, तो ये सब टुकड़े टुकड़े में गिरेगा ना इधर.
Yes, sir.
फिर से एक बार वापस, एयर से हम लोग इसको ब्लो करते हैं हाई स्पीड से, पुश करते हैं इसको, जैसे ही पुश किया हाई स्पीड से, इधर प्रेशर कम हो गया ना अभी.
Yes, sir.
अगर इधर प्रेशर कम तो लिक्विड राइज हो जाएगा ना, ऐसा लिक्विड राइजेस ना फ्रॉम हाई प्रेशर टू लो प्रेशर, तो ये लिक्विड ऊपर आया, आपने हाई प्रेशर दिया तो लिक्विड ऐसा टुकड़े टुकड़े में स्प्रे जैसा हो. तो व्हाट इज बर्नौलीज प्रिंसिपल, प्रेशर जब भी डिक्रीज तो वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज एंड वाइस वर्सा, ये बर्नौलीज प्रिंसिपल है. एट सेम हाइट व्हेन यू चेंज द प्रेशर वेलोसिटी चेंजेस, प्रेशर बढ़ाया वेलोसिटी कम, प्रेशर कम किया वेलोसिटी ज्यादा. ओके, हेलो.
Yes, sir.
So can I say the scent sprayer or insect sprayer is based on Bernoulli's principle? In all this, a tube T is dipped in liquid. This is tube T dipped in liquid. Air is blown with high speed over the tip of tube with the help of piston in the cylinder. This high speed will create low pressure over the tube, due to which liquid rises and is blown off in very small droplets with the expelled air, means along with the air. Clear now? Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
See, just remember like this. Flow is always from where to where? High to low, no? Flow is always from where to where? High to low?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो जैसे आपने वो एयर का पुश किया एयर, तो उधर स्पीड बढ़ गया ना एयर मॉलिक्यूल का, पिस्टन से जैसा पुश किया अंदर, तो एयर मॉलिक्यूल का उधर वेलोसिटी ज्यादा हो जाएगा ना.
Yes, sir.
वेलोसिटी ज्यादा मतलब प्रेशर कम ना,
Yes.
प्रेशर कम हुआ तो लिक्विड ट्यूब से ऊपर आ जाएगा ना.
हाँ.
तो इन दैट प्रोसेस वो एयर के साथ हवे में ड्रॉपलेट के जैसा स्प्रे हो जाएगा. दैट इज नथिंग बट एटमाइजिंग. ओके, diagram done? Diagram is done?
Yes, sir.
Right. Action of carburetor, ये कार्स में व्हीकल में होता है, ऑफ एन ऑटोमोबाइल इंजन. The action of carburetor of an automobile engine, comma paint gun, comma scent spray, scent sprayer or insect sprayer. The action of this are based on Bernoulli's principle. In all these, a tube T is dipped in a liquid. When air is blown at high speed over the tip of this tube with help of piston over the tip of this tube with the help of piston P in cylinder C. Then, okay, just complete this much. Action of carburetor of the automobile engine, paint gun, scent sprayer or insect sprayer. They are based on Bernoulli's principle. In all this, a tube is dipped in the cylinder, is in the liquid when air is blown with high speed over the tip of this tube with the help of piston P in the cylinder. Then copy this much, then I am doing further. Shall I clear?
Sir.
थोड़ा फास्ट लिखो. हाँ. Then high speed air creates low pressure over the tube. Creates low pressure over the tube, due to which liquid rises in it and is then blown off in very small droplet. Along with air. See, our gas burner is also working on that one. जब गैस का नॉब हम लोग ओपन करते हैं ना, तो प्रेशर कम कर देते हैं क्योंकि अंदर हाई प्रेशर रहता है. तो गैस राइजेस अपवर्ड. अभी आप लाइटर लीड करेंगे तो फायर पकड़ लेता है. हाँ 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 ठीक है. हाँ हो गया मेरा बैठना. एक पेरेंट आए थे क्या अभी? हाँ ठीक है, उन्होंने मैसेज दिया मुझे. हाँ, और दूसरा अरुण सर भी आपको फीस देंगे. ठीक. हाँ, उन्होंने मुझे बोला है कि मैं दे दूंगा. अभी आज अगर मिलते हैं तो ठीक है. हाँ चलो. So I said gas burner also works on same principle. When you turn on that gas, तो अचानक प्रेशर कम हो जाता है, तो अंदर से गैस बाहर आ जाता है. When you lit, it catches fire. That is nothing but Bernoulli's principle only. एक और दिखा देता हूं आपको. Last one. Blowing off roofs by stormy wind. मतलब wind जब भी with high force आता है, then why that roof they get blown off. See, this is roof of a house. Roof of a house. जब ये सब कुछ नॉर्मल है तो अंदर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर होगा ना, P0. बाहर भी एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर, बराबर. When it is normal.
Yes, sir.
बट अचानक अगर स्टॉर्म आया तो इधर प्रेशर ज्यादा हो जाएगा ना, क्योंकि विंड के साथ आएगा ना, ये ऊपर प्रेशर ज्यादा हो जाएगा ना. घर तो बंद है तो खाली ये रूफ पे हाई प्रेशर डेवलप हो जाएगा. हाई स्पीड से आया ना इधर एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
हाई स्पीड से आया तो अचानक वो पॉइंट पे प्रेशर क्या करेगा, ये कम क्या ज्यादा? देखो थोड़ा सिंपल तो है, स्पीड ज्यादा प्रेशर कम, स्पीड कम प्रेशर ज्यादा. तो हाई स्पीड से विंड आया तो ये रूफ पे प्रेशर क्या हो जाएगा, कम क्या ज्यादा?
कम.
कम हो जाएगा ना.
Come.
मतलब एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर से कम. लेकिन घर के अंदर तो एटमॉस्फेयर ही था ना.
Yeah.
तो घर का अंदर का प्रेशर ज्यादा, बाहर का प्रेशर कम, तो ये ऊपर से लिफ्ट हो जाएगा ना ये, बिकॉज इट विल मूव
Yes, sir.
फ्रॉम हाई टू लो.
Yes.
So that's why the roof, they show the property of being blown off due to storming wave. Bernoulli's principle. Draw the diagram, then I'm writing. When high speed stormy wind blows over a rooftop, it causes pressure low pressure P above roof. However, pressure inside is still atmospheric pressure. Pressure inside is still atmospheric pressure. Is still atmospheric pressure. That is denoted by P naught. Thus, due to difference in pressure, एरो लिफ्ट जैसा ही है. The roof is lifted up and is then blown off by the wind. एयर हाई स्पीड से आके प्रेशर कम किया, अंदर प्रेशर ज्यादा, तो हाई से लो वो ऊपर लिफ्ट हो गया, एंड विथ एयर इट गेट्स ब्लोन ऑफ. सिंपल है एकदम, सेम एज एरो लिफ्ट. सो व्हेनेवर लिफ्टिंग कम्स, ऊपर का प्रेशर कम, नीचे का प्रेशर ज्यादा. So one part, this chapter is actually in two parts. One part we have completed.
Done.
Okay. Have you heard about cohesive force? Something called as cohesive force? Have you heard this word, cohesive force? Yes, cohesive force. Have you heard? Nobody.
Yes.
Cohesive
Yes,
force किसके बीच में होता है वो? सिमिलर मॉलिक्यूल के अलग अलग मॉलिक्यूल?
Similar.
सिमिलर, सिमिलर. और एडहेसिव?
Sim.
नहीं, डिसिमिलर.
Dissimilar.
डिसिमिलर, यस. दीवार पे हम लोग प्लाई लगा देते हैं ना फेविकॉल से, वो डिसिमिलर है ना. तो वो फेविकॉल को हम लोग बोलते हैं एडहेसिव है, मतलब वो पकड़ लेता है दीवार. तो जितना एडहेसिव ज्यादा रहेगा उतना it won't leave that surface. So if my paint is having high adhesive power, it won't get spoiled very easily. बहुत दिन तक वो दीवार पे चिपका रहेगा. So we have to study something called as surface tension with the help of this four quantity. First, cohesive force. then adhesive force, then two more quantities I am coming. Entire chapter now further we are going to deal with these two forces. The force of attraction. The force of attraction between two molecules of similar type is called as cohesive force. And the force of attraction between two dissimilar molecules is called as adhesive force. Right. Similar molecule, cohesive force, dissimilar molecule, adhesive force.
Done, sir.
Okay. Range, molecular range. You all have Wi-Fi in the home or through mobile hotspot you do
Yes, sir.
connection? What do you have? Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi है?
Yes.
तो उसका रेंज किधर तक है? ग्राउंड फ्लोर तक है क्या रेलवे स्टेशन तक है?
Small range.
It will be up to certain 10 meter 20 meter ऐसा रेंज वाला रहेगा ना.
Yeah.
So is it in the right or it is in the left? This range is where? Where it is, right, left, north, south, east, west, where it is?
All direction.
All direction, yes. That means it is in the spherical region na, aisa? All
Yeah.
direction है ना? So this distance up to which a molecule produces its influence on other molecule. Like if A is one molecule, it can attract molecule at B, which is at 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter at any side it will attract. Na? This is called
Yes, sir.
molecular range. The distance up to which a molecular influence exists. The distance up to which a molecular influence exists is called as molecular range. Right, definition of molecular range. The distance up to which a molecular influence exists is called as molecular range.
Dense.
1 minute, huh? The distance up to which molecular influence exists is called as molecular range. Sphere of influence. Sphere of influence. An imaginary sphere drawn, an imaginary sphere drawn with molecule as center and molecular range as radius is called as sphere of influence. Understood na meaning? Molecule center, molecular range radius, a sphere is drawn. This sphere is called as sphere of influence. That means any molecule which will be in this sphere will be attracted by the molecule whose center we have taken as a sphere. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
If this is sphere of influence, that means I have taken one molecule as center and its molecular range as radius. So any molecule which falls here, will it be attracted by the central molecule or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Outside
Yes.
wala? No.
No.
No, correct. Write down definition. See, anybody is having time but they don't have work. Is it happening like this with you?
No, sir.
See, whenever it happens and you are distracted, please call me so that I can guide you. I think few students, they have done the work time ही time है लेकिन काम नहीं है. Is it happening? Shall I clear? Yeah, shall I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. With the help of molecular theory, explain why surface of liquid behaves as stretched elastic membrane. Surface of liquid behaves like stretched elastic membrane. Have you ever inflated the balloon?
Yes.
Now suppose it bursts out. तो ऐसा टुकड़ा टुकड़ा गिरता है ना, टूट जाता है ना ऐसा.
Yes, sir.
So this small piece which is busted out, sometimes we gather that और छोटा सा टुकड़ा बनाते हैं ना. Small balloon we make, correct?
Yes, sir.
छोटा सा ब्लो करके. कोई बोलता चिकोटी बनाया, फिर किसी का भी ऐसा सर पे जाके हम लोग पुश हैमर करते हो, फूटता है. ऐसा करता है, किया कभी आपने? छोटा सा करके फिर दूसरा किसी का सर पे
हाँ.
मारने का. तो
Yes,
मतलब
sir.
आप, हाँ मतलब यही वो इलास्टिक मेम्ब्रेन है ना, स्ट्रेच खींचा तो फिर आपने फुगाया तो टेंशन में है वो, जब भी किसका सर में मारा तो बस्ट हो गया एंड रिलैक्स हो गया ना वो अपना. तो ये सरफेस वी हैव टू प्रूव इट इज बिहेविंग लाइक स्ट्रेच. स्ट्रेच मतलब पुलिंग ना. So this is suppose one surface. If somebody is pulling downward, so will it behave like stretched elastic membrane?
Yes.
Stretch मतलब कोई तो खींच के रखा है ना, membrane मतलब पतला सा ना ऐसा. So I have to prove that surface of liquid will behave like stretched elastic membrane with the help of molecular theory. Right heading, then I'm drawing the diagram, then I'm explaining. Actually chapter is very simple, but फिर भी थोड़ा complication लगता है.
Done, sir.
Okay. Mechanical property of fluid we are doing. Today only I will send one sheet and Monday onwards we'll start solving MCQ of that. On 22nd, I told there is no test, correct?
Yes, sir.
29th, you will have test on mechanical property of solid full, mechanical property of liquid. Only 2 chapters I am keeping. Mechanical property of solid and liquid. ये दोनों में मिला के 4 MCQ comes in the exam. So ample of time. Sums are many, so I'm giving you some time so that you can complete it with perfection. After 29th will come, I think, 5th September. That is again Sunday. Then 12th September. 10th September, I have kept, I think, parents meeting. Correct, na?
So 5th September.
Sir,
Fifth को
5th
रखा है?
September.
Okay, 5th को रखा है. Okay. 5th Sunday आ रहा है लेकिन शायद ना. नहीं, चलो जो भी आएगा. 29 is Sunday. 31 is Tuesday. Because 31 August है ये.
So 5th
So
is Sunday.
5th is Sunday only, na? Okay. So this Sunday you will have test on circular motion, लिख लो चाहिए तो, so that you remember idea. Rotational motion, gravitation, mechanical property of solid, mechanical property of liquid, work, power, energy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chapter. Afterwards again I will give in the planner.
Also,
Pardon?
friction.
Huh? Friction I am not giving. ये बड़ा बड़ा चैप्टर है ना,
Yes.
because chapter reduce किया तो I will get more question to be added. चलो देखो अभी डायग्राम अपना. We have to explain that why surface behaves like stretched elastic membrane. This is one container such as glass in which we are taking liquid such as water. Have you ever experienced in bucket or big drum, उसका अंदर अगर एक ग्लास डालते हैं और इन्वर्ट करते हैं तो ऊपर नहीं आता है, ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस किया है कभी?
Yes, sir.
That means somebody is pulling no from down. If you have experienced, then
Yes.
you will enjoy this. So suppose I want to lift that glass bottle from that liquid, I have to apply some force because नीचे से कोई तो खींचा है ना, वो कोई तो
Yes, sir.
सरफेस टेंशन है, वो कोई तो को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सरफेस टेंशन. Now see, consider liquid such as water to be taken in a glass container. Glass container. Let A, B, C be three molecules such that A lies well inside, B is close to the surface, C is on the surface. So iska if I draw sphere of influence, it lies completely in the air, in the liquid. A is completely in the liquid.
Yes, sir.
मतलब
Yes, sir.
इसको हर साइड से सेम फोर्स मिलेगा ना, सेम कोहेसिव फोर्स मिलेगा ना हर साइड से. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what will be net force? आराम से बोलो, net force. ये लिक्विड को हर साइड से फोर्स मिल रहा है, इक्वल ऑपोजिट. What will be net force?
Zero.
हाँ, जीरो. नेट फोर्स जीरो मतलब एक्सेलरेशन क्या है? जीरो है.
Yes, sir.
एक्सेलरेशन जीरो मतलब चेंज इन वेलोसिटी है क्या? नहीं है ना.
No.
तो वेलोसिटी कांस्टेंट है क्या वेरिएबल है? कांस्टेंट.
Constant.
So what is kinetic potential energy? Zero na, no opposing force.
Yes.
So it has only kinetic energy which is constant throughout, but no potential energy. So no work done against force, no tension. You saw the news yesterday? वो August 17 को जो ओपन होने वाला था स्कूल has been postponed.
Yes, sir.
देखो
Yes.
थोड़ा रिस्की है अभी. I don't think they will start before January. Means they are waiting कि थर्ड वेव का अगर कुछ असर आया तो क्या होने वाला है. Third wave means वो delta variant which is coming in the market. In Mumbai there are nearly 4 to 6 patients now. At B if I draw sphere of influence, then partially it will be in air na. This is the surface. ये नजदीक है, इसके ऊपर है, तो थोड़ा पार्ट बाहर भी रहेगा ना when you draw sphere of influence. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And if it is exactly on the surface, तो half अंदर और half बाहर रहेगा ना. I hope you followed this geometry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो इसको पुल करने वाला नीचे तो फोर्स है, लेकिन एग्जैक्टली उतना ऊपर नहीं ना. ऊपर इतना एयर है ना, इतना पार्ट एयर है ना, तो इसको डाउनवर्ड फोर्स मिलेगा क्या? नहीं मिलेगा. नेट डाउनवर्ड फोर्स नहीं समझा लगता है. ये पूरा लिक्विड में तो जितना डाउनवर्ड उतना एग्जैक्टली इक्वल है ना, तो कैंसिल हो रहा है ना पूरा अगर लिक्विड में है तो. ये पार्शियली एयर में है, तो एयर में तो नो फोर्स ना. नॉट फॉलोइंग.
Followed, sir.
So can I say the sphere of influence B will be partially in air? That means it will not be acted upon by exactly same upward forces. So it will be acted upon by some resultant downward force or not. This particle B. If I draw sphere of influence of C, then half part is upward. So it is acted upon by maximum resultant downward force. Everybody is followed.
Yes, sir.
Who is having maximum force, A or B or C? Who is having maximum force? Tell. A, B or C?
C.
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 If I draw, take any molecule within this distance, ये distance मतलब molecular range है ना, ये half radius है ना ये, that is molecular range, no?
Yes.
That is also called as surface film. So if I take any molecule in surface film, मतलब इधर, ये तो थोड़ा अंदर है, ये इधर लिया any molecule. So will it be acted upon by resultant downward force? Only which is exactly at this end, इसका net force 0 होएगा. लेकिन थोड़ा भी ऊपर गया तो इसको थोड़ा तो downward force मिलेगा ना?
Yes, sir.
So any molecule which is in surface film is acted in downward direction, no? मतलब अपना वही केस हो गया ना, somebody is pulling means like stretched elastic membrane. Membrane क्योंकि बहुत पतला है, this is 10 raised to -6 meter, वो surface film. डायग्राम में थोड़ा बड़ा बनाया, but actually it is how much? 10 raised to -6. So very thin ना, 10 raised to -6. अपना hair 10 raised to -6 जैसा रहता है. फिर से एक बार पूरा theory along with the diagram, then you will draw. Consider liquid such as water to be taken in a glass container. To be taken in a glass container. Let A, B, C be 3 molecules of liquid such that A lies well inside, B lies close to the surface, and A lies well inside the liquid. Consider liquid such as water to be taken in a glass container filled with water. Let A, B, C be 3 molecules such that A lies well inside, B lies close to the surface, and C lies on the surface. Draw sphere of influence of A, B, C. The sphere of influence of A lies completely in water. Hence, net force acting will be 0. Thus, it has only kinetic energy. The sphere of influence of B lies partially in water and partially in air. Hence, it is acted upon by resultant downward force. The sphere of influence of A lies exactly half in water. Hence, it is acted upon by maximum resultant downward force. Thus, every molecule which lies in surface film, which is equal to the thickness of molecular range, is acted upon by resultant downward force. Thus, the surface behaves like stretched elastic membrane. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Draw now diagram. So if they say in the surface film, liquid has maximum kinetic, maximum potential, what will be your option? Maximum kinetic or maximum potential? What will be your option? Tell. In the film, it can't remain. Somebody is pulling downward. So it has to do work not to remain in that. So it will have more potential but less time. Not free to move. Okay.
Yes.
जो एकदम inside है उसके पास ओनली काइनेटिक, नो पोटेंशियल,
Only
क्योंकि
kinetic.
पोटेंशियल के लिए ऑपोजिशन लगता है, राइट.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now I'm writing the theory for you. Diagram everybody has done? Yes, diagram part.
Yes.
Kathan, Hitarth? Kathan, Hitarth, you are there?
Done, sir.
Okay, okay, Kathan. Chalo. See. Consider liquid such as water to be taken in a glass container. Consider liquid such as water to be taken in a glass container. Let A, B, C be three molecules such that A lies well inside the liquid. B lies close to the surface of liquid. C lies on the surface of liquid. Draw sphere of influence for all molecules. The sphere of influence of molecule A lies completely in air, completely in liquid. Okay, please copy this much again. Done.
Yes.
Okay. A lies completely in liquid. Hence, resultant force on molecule A is 0. Resultant force on molecule A is 0. Thus, it possesses only kinetic energy. So this can become a theoretical MCQs. The molecule which lies well inside has got dash kinetic plus potential, only kinetic, only potential. Answer will be only kinetic energy. The sphere of influence B lies partially in air. Hence, it is acted upon by resultant downward force. It is acted upon by resultant downward force. The sphere of influence C lies half in air and half in water. Hence, it is hence it is acted upon by resultant maximum resultant downward force. Maximum resultant downward force. Thus, every molecule which lies in surface film, that is thickness from surface which is equal to molecular range. Thus, every molecule which lies in surface film, that is thickness from surface which is equal to molecular range, is acted upon by resultant force in downward direction. acted upon by resultant force in downward direction. Acted upon by resultant force in downward direction. Hence, the surface of liquid behaves like stretched elastic membrane. Behaves like stretched elastic membrane. Completed?
Yes, done.
Everybody has understood this topic? Surface behaves like stretched elastic membrane. Hello, any doubt or it's clear?
Yes, okay. Clear,
Molecules
sir.
which are in the surface film, they have what? Maximum potential energy. And which are inside, they have only kinetic energy. Next one. Define surface tension. Important one. When I see from the top, I'll be able to see this type of horizontal plane, which can be rectangular, which can be circular, elliptical, depending upon the shape of the container. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I consider set of molecule on the surface, so this behave like set of point. What is set of point called as? Line, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So if you join this, it will behave like line. All this molecule will be pulled by the neighboring molecules up to the molecular range distance. You know? They will be pulled by this forces on all the sides. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this forces acting per unit length at right angle to the imaginary line drawn on the surface of liquid is called as surface tension. So force acting per unit length at right angle on the imaginary line drawn at the surface of liquid is called as surface tension. What will be SI unit? Newton per meter. Newton per meter.
Yes.
Dimension say, what will be dimension? M1 L0 T minus 2, because force ka M1 L1 T minus 2 divided by L1, what you will get? M1 L0 T minus 2.
Yes.
Okay, now write definition. The force acting per unit length at right angles. The force acting per unit length at right angles to the imaginary line. To the imaginary line drawn. Okay, just copy it. Hello? Yeah. नहीं, मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. The force acting per unit length at right angles to the imaginary line drawn on the surface of liquid is called as surface tension. Copy. The force acting per unit length at right angles to the imaginary line drawn on the surface of liquid is called as surface tension. Shall I clear? Shall I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Let F be force acting on length L. Therefore, surface tension E equal to F upon L. Its SI unit is Newton per meter. Its dimension is M1 L0 T minus 2. Copy this one. Completed now? Yes, I think completed.
Yes, sir.
Today we stop here. As I said, 3 lectures are required to complete this chapter.